Wait a second.
Long dick.
Aren't you a member of the yacht club?
Yeah, she get to dropping like some dead flies. Baby girl just to kill, she so dead fly. You be on top of your shit, you so dead fly. If anybody tell you different, they a damn lie. Asking why they lying, on the gram spine, never full, but you know they got some time for you. Since you came up, they act like they down for you. Let me be the first one to say I'm proud. Get your money, girl, get your money. I ain't mad at your broke hoes. Same ones that used to laugh at you. Since you hit the gym, I see you got your ass fatter. If I didn't have a bitch, I would've took a stab at you. Got her own house, own car, drive her own shit, long cash. She just looking for some long dick, big face, fleek on it every day of the week base. Them eyebrows, girl, I can see it all in the freak face. Hold up, she humble but walk with her nose up. And I growed a little interest there since you growed up. And I know a couple bitches who noticed your pro up. They was talking about that picture with the caption glowed up. I'm trying to motivate you, I'm trying to geek your head up. Ain't talking penetration, but baby keep the head up. Cause if you don't, the crown slips. And after that, you know what, you can call me, we can say fuck 'em and go get some more bucks. Cause baby girl, she get to dropping like some dead flies. Baby girl just to kill, she so dead fly. You be on top of your shit, you so dead fly. If anybody tell you different, they a damn lie. Asking why they lying, on the gram spine, never full, but you know they got some time for you. Since you came up, they act like they down for you. Let me be the first one to say I'm proud of you. Mob. Own house, own shit, cash, long dick.
need. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns out with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hate like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's you lost me. I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python rap. What I like real fast, till until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see matter of fact. Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it. I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be.